Hi, this is a control module for a fuel pump off a Ford to show how bad the liquid de-icing agent is attacking metal. This is aluminum, and you can see how thick it is. You can see the computer board that's inside with a hole. The white powder is the dried salts and calcium chloride and magnesium chloride, and just sits on top. Needs moisture and warm weather to start attacking. So that's just one of the parts that we're seeing. I also have a pile of parts. I have a fuel filler neck that just ate it. Coil springs busted. Wheel bearings, they're failing, and a bunch of other parts.